How to check website traffic on Google Analytics. Have you considered from where your website visitors come? Once you understand your website's traffic sources, you'll be able to better understand the digital selling channel and how you can use it to help your website generate more results for your company or organization. To get started, go to Google Analytics and check at your website's traffic sources. Email. They went to your website after clicking on a link in the affiliate email campaign you delivered. They are returning visitors to your website since they have already signed up for your email list. These visitors came as a result of you sending an email campaign with interesting content. And readers clicked on one of every 3 links in the email to visit your site. Learn more at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com.